Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Lemon Solutions. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can fix no sound issue in Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, all you have to do is that just go to Windows search bar and type Control Panel. And here, you just have to change the view by from category to large icon so that you can see all the options here. And now here we're getting like sound option. Just click on it. And once you click on it, you can see like all the list of like the devices that is basically connected to your machine or was connected to your machine, and this is the current device which is connected. And here you can see that like it is like tick, it has a green tick that is basically set to a default device. If you'd like to change the default device, all you can do is that just right click on the other devices which is presently connected to your machine, and then just right click and make it as set as default device. But now we don't have to do it if it is already set like the default device. We don't have to touch anything. Now all you have to do is that if it is already enabled, just right click on it and then click on disable. And once you disable it, then right click on it and then mark it as enabled. So this is the first step, guys. Second step is just go to properties, like right click on the selected device and go to properties of it. And now here we have like enhancements. Just disable all enhancements and then apply and then click OK. So once you're done with it, just restart your machine and that will work. And if it is still not working, we have like other workaround. Just close all the window here, and now just right click on this like sound bar over here, and now click on troubleshoot sound problem. So once you click on it, here is basically detecting a problem, basically is running a troubleshoot for the sound audio. And here once the like detecting problem is finished, it will probably ask you some questions. And now as you can see that we are getting a list of like the devices that is basically was or is connected to our machine. So here like my current device is basically this headphone that is basically Java Vol 65 Flex. I'll choose it and I'll click on next. And now it is basically checking the like options here, and here we are getting this option, turn off sound effects and enhancements. So if I quickly click on yes, and here like we have already disabled on all the enhancements here, and we'll click OK, and then we'll close it and we'll restart our machine. So this is how you can fix the issue, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll sort of here, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.